Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can export data from Money Manager. So first, just have to open the application, and from here, tap on the More at the bottom right. Then you just have to scroll all the way down until you see this backup right here at the bottom of the settings. So just go ahead and click on this one. So from here, you have lots of options if you want to export it to files to email, if you want to export it to Excel. So in this example, we're just going to choose Excel. So here you can also choose the monthly, last month, or annually, depends on you. So we're just going to choose this monthly right here. And then this one will pop up. So you just have to put your email on the two sections so that the Money Manager will just send the file to your email. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!